Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss regarding the topic. Last session we discussed about setting objectives and setting guidelines. Now we are going to discuss benefits of objectives formulation. So what are the advantages? Set specific target, provide direction for employee, increases staff motivation. So these are the things done in that organization. Definitely the organization will improve. So helps to focus on specific tasks, build relationship, helps to measure the performance of employee, help to prioritize, enables the success to be measured. So these are the benefits of objective formulation. So what are the advantages we have seen? Disadvantages. So what are the limitations in objective formulation? Immeasurability. We can't measure. Inadequate resource allocation. Stress on employee. If you complete the work, you are having some stress. So what time you are going to, within the duration to complete the work. So that is the stress. So stress on employee, neglecting ground reality, avoiding consultation, unclear and rigid objective. Due to time constraint, we can't finish their work. So there is a time constraint. It's nothing but time duty. So next we are going to discuss what is the difference between strategy and tactics. Strategy, it will be differ from tactics. So what do you mean by strategy? We discussed. So purpose, to identify clear, broader goals that advance the overall organization and organize resources. Tactics, to utilize specific resources to achieve sub-goals that support the defined mission. So what tactics you are using to achieve the particular goal. Roles, in the strategy, individuals who influence resources in the organization, they understand how a set of tactics work together to achieve goals. Specific domain experts that maneuver limited resources into actions to achieve a set of goals. Accountability, hold accountable to overall health of organization. That is held accountable to overall health of organization. That held accountable to specific resources assigned. Duration, long term, changes infrequently. That is a strategy. Tactics, short term, flexible to specific market conditions. Outputs, produces clear organizational goals, plans, maps, guideposts, and key performance measurements. In tactics, produces clear deliverables and output using tools, and time. So what are the key elements of strategic planning? We already discussed vision is a long-term goal. So once vision for the business is where we imagine it will be at a future date. Mission is a short-term goal. A mission statement defines what an organization is, why it exists, its reason for being. Objectives. A business objective is a detailed picture of a step you plan to take in order to achieve a stated aim. Strategies. A business strategy is the means by which it sets out to achieve its desired ends, that is objectives. It can simply be described as a long-term business planning. Action plans. An action plan is a document that lists what steps must be taken in order to achieve a specific goal. The purpose of an action plan is to clarify what resources are required to reach the goal and to formulate a timeline to complete the specific task. So that's the key elements of strategic planning. So what is sales strategy? Sales strategy, sales knowledge. First of all, if you're selling the product, you'll get the knowledge about the particular product, market knowledge, company knowledge, customer knowledge, science, it's nothing but metrics, skills, art. So these are the things covered under that sales strategy. So a sales strategy is a plan by a business or individual on how to go about selling products and services and increasing profit. The objective of your good sales strategy is to get yourself in the right place with the right people at the right time. Strategic selling begins with understanding your company strategy, vision, and distinctiveness, and then selecting high profile customers. It also includes prioritizing the concerns of the buyer when making a sale with the aim of creating long-term relationship with the customer. In order for your business to effectively use strategic selling techniques, the personnel need to maintain integrity as they present specific features of your product and ensure they follow upon promises made to the customer. So if you know the strategy, you know about that particular knowledge about the particular product, you can easily sell the product to the customer. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.